Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. If you're new here, hi. I hope you find some things here that you enjoy and you stick around, watch some more videos, check out some playlists. There's lots of fun stuff. And hit that, notification bell, subscribe so you can come back and see more stuff in the future. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and welcome back. Happy to see you again. So let's get into what we have here on the counter for us today. Okay, this company, I thought I lost touch with them for a while. And I did lose touch with them for a while, but they're back. We're back together. And they're one of my favorite budget-friendly companies. This is DPClubs. They always have fun stuff. And you'll see that with some of the items that I have here. So let's get into it and show you what I picked out from DPClubs. First of all, let me say thank you to DPClubs. And I'm glad we're working together again. And I will have all of these linked below so that you can find them if there's something that seems of interest to you. All right. So let's start with this one. This one was interesting. I had no idea what this was going to be like, really. So I was like, if you've been around a while, I like to find unique and fun things, different items that we can put drills on. And I do love my special drill projects. So I saw this and I was like, well, let's get this and let's see what this is all about. So it's got this cute snowman on it. So this is where you put all your drills. And it's really just a plastic box. Now, there are many different types of storage boxes you can get on some of these sites. And this one I thought was very interesting. I was trying to wipe that out, but it's actually a little foot on the bottom. Got 4 little feet on the corners. So you can put whatever you would like in here. You could put sticky notes in here. You could put jewelry in here. You could put all kinds of things in here. Possibilities are endless. And it's just a nice little plastic box. I think it's super cute. All of these projects come with a little toolkit, just like that one. And here are our drills. They came just like this. So let's show you the drills. Now this one does not have any sort of legend or inventory sheet because whatever is on here will be on the bags. So you just look at what's on the bag. That's where your symbol is. And this one will be super quick and easy to do. Quick, fast, yeah, and cute. I mean, how can you beat that? Quick, easy, fast, cute. All right, rhinestones, clear. Beautiful purple for all that snowman scarf and hat. Some orange and some green and some red. And here are our fun ones. I love these little snowflakey guys, little pink snowflakes, and some small faceted marquees in a gold color. Love that. That's going to be up there for his, what is that, a star? He's carrying a star, I believe. He's got himself a star. All right. So I thought that was super cute. And you know what I'm going to do just to make my life easier? I'll show you what I'm going to do. Hang on. Put these drills in here first. Let's do that. And then they fold it up like this. And right now, this little box is going to be used to store the drills for the project. I know, I'm a little extra sometimes. All right, these are cute. All right, it's been a hot minute since I have picked out magnets. Magnets are fun. Same little toolkit. Oh, except that one had like 3 baggies. All right. So here they are. Look at them. I have a set of owl magnets downstairs on my filing cabinet. If you know, you know. It's the Chuck Pinson filing cabinet. But I have a whole set of owls. I can't part with the magnets, but look at them. They're so stinking cute. Look at him. And look at all the special drills for that flower right there. Love it. Look at this guy. He's got special drills and more special drills. Love them. Penguins. Little penguins. Aren't they cute? Who doesn't love a penguin? I love my owl ones. Maybe I have a thing for birds. I don't know. Could be. Oh, look at all the special drills here. This one's got like a lei around its neck and more flowers on its head. And then look at this guy. So there's 6 of them. These little cute little penguins. Penguins, they're little penguins. I love them. They're so cute. All right. Again, same thing here. Look at the bag. Bag has your symbol. And I tend to I don't like to kit these up. I just like to grab a bag and do all of one color. So, for example, this is number 4, and it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. So I would pick up this guy, and I'd be like, any 4s on him? Yep, there's a couple right over here. And I would do those 4s. And then I would go to this guy. So that's how I do it. But you do you. You do what you want. Okay? So we got that beautiful, beautiful blue. These are like a dark, they're blue. They look like black or gray, but they are a blue tone. It's probably the body. Is that my guess? 5? Yeah, a lot of the body is that color. Then we have some orange, some light gray, some lighter gray, taupey color. We have a little bit of black, not a ton. You know, they're penguins. You'd think you'd have a lot of black, but not necessarily. One blue, another blue, and then oh my gosh, those are pretty. Some of those flowers are going to be that pretty turquoisey color, that little marquee. Then we have faceted clear iridescent marquees, the bigger ones. Oh, someplace the big flowers get those. Yes, those and those and those. That's for that. And then we have little blue ones, and then yellow pearls. Those will be the centers of our flowers. How cute is that, right? It's adorable. I love them. Oh, hang on. These are hanging out on the counter. Where's more? Clear and orange and another blue. Icy blue. I love it. I was missing those. There's a separate little section there. Okay. All right, little penguins, come on, come with me. All right, let's put you over here. And then, of course, oh, look. This was almost the penguin show. Almost all penguins. Penguins and a snowman. Okay, they're related, aren't they? I mean, aren't they similar? I do love penguins. All right, love that they include that now. That little piece of styrofoam so that your piece does not get broken in transport. Wow, that is thick. That is a nice thick base. Nice thick sturdy base. Make sure you take that film off there. Okay, take the film off. Just like this. There's a film on the back of this. Peel this off, and this gets much brighter. When you peel the film, if I could grab a hold of it, I'd show you. I like to peel it back and show you guys how pretty these are when they're like colored on the back. I'm just tearing it over here. Oh, seriously. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look how bright and shiny it is. Look at that. I love these when they're printed on the back like that. Okay, you're fine. But look at how cute he is. Look how cute he is. Little penguin with a tree. Look, he's got a little penguin under the tree too. Special drills. F is special drill. D, little special drills in here. Some on the holly. Ornaments. Okay, super cute. The star, special drills. Isn't he cute? He's so cute, right? So stinking cute. I love him so much. Oh, goodness. Let's look at our drills. Let's look at our drills. I mean, if you've been watching my channel, you've noticed there's a lot of like Christmassy things because it's my time to shine. I love Christmas as a holiday. It's my favorite. So there's a lot of Christmas stuff. Clear rhinestone, a pretty red, a limey green, a yellow, black. We definitely get black for this penguin. And the rest are special drills. Wow, okay. Round faceted golds. These are iridescent faceted gold marquee. You know, there's a lot of words in some of these to describe them. These are iridescent faceted clear teardrops. Look at those big boys. Those are those D's. Boom, 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 boom. There they are. Those are big. Wow. Iridescent faceted green marquee and iridescent faceted clear rounds. See, you got to get all those descriptive words in there, you guys. There's a whole lot of words to describe some of these drills. Oh, goodness. All right, so we have the penguin. There it is. We have the little penguins. There they are. And we have the little snowman, little box. How cute, right? How very cute. Tell me your favorite in the comments below, please. Tell me your favorite. Which one do you like the best? And do all those other YouTube things. Please, like the video so YouTube knows. Put that out there for other people because these people liked it. Other people will like it. Pushes my content out. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming out. Share a video. All those fun things. Those are all free for you to do. And so much appreciated. Then there's some paid options like a super thanks on a video, or I have Ko-fi donations, I have memberships. Those are paid options, but do what you can. Support the channel, and I'll keep making content for you that I hope you enjoy. All right. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. I'm getting in the ho, ho, ho spirit around here. I don't know if you are, but I am. So let's celebrate together and have a great time. All right. We'll see you soon. Have a great day, everybody. And yeah, just have a good day.